In this video, we will be covering our pay-per-view monetization systems. You will learn all about setting up a payment gateway to accept payments directly from your buyers to your online bank, creating a simple pay-per-view ticket system, creating custom pay-per-view paywall packages to which you can add one or multiple pay-per-view tickets, setting custom pay-per-view paywall packages to single media players as well as playlists, managing your sold pay-per-view tickets with the sold pay-per-view tickets management system, creating custom order confirmation emails. You can connect your PayPal account to our pay-per-view systems as a payment gateway and start using it as your payment processor for credit cards, debit cards and PayPal payments. To enable your PayPal account as a pay-per-view gateway, you will need to go to the Settings tab. Here, under Setup, you will find the pay-per-view menu. Click on it to expand the subsections and select the Payment Gateways tab, which will display the available payment gateways. Click on the PayPal Express Gateway, which will open the PayPal Setup panel on the right. Here you can change the default name from PayPal Express to something else if desired. Under PayPal Email, you will need to enter your PayPal email address to where all your clients' payments will be made. From the domain drop-down selector, please choose your PayPal account's native domain. For example, a US PayPal account is simply paypal.com, whilst the UK PayPal account is paypal.com/UK. Next, you will need to set up your PayPal IPN notification URL in your PayPal account. The purpose of it is that when the user makes a payment, the confirmation is sent back to our system and is able to give access to the viewer after they purchase the video or a playlist. To set up your IPN, please log into your PayPal account at paypal.com. Please go to Profile, Profile and Settings, My Selling Preferences. Then go to Instant Payment Notification and click on the Update button. On the IPN information page, click on the Choose IPN Settings button. You will be presented with the IPN settings page. Here, enter the following notification URL, which can be found in your PayPal Express setup within the Payment Gateway settings. Select Receive IPN Messages Enabled and press Save. Under Profile, Profile and Settings, My Selling Preferences, PayPal Button Language Encoding, click on the More Options button. Change both drop-downs to UTF-8 and save. Please ensure your PayPal account is set to receive payments made in other currencies automatically, without the need for you to manually accept them. If you aren't sure if this is currently the case, please contact PayPal customer care and ask them regarding this matter. Once the IPN has been set up, click on the I confirm I have completed the required setup tick box. Under Image, you can change the default PayPal image that is displayed to your viewers by uploading your own one. Clicking on the Enable Payment Gateway slider and placing it in the on position enables the payment gateway to be used for your pay-per-view videos. Clicking on the Show Payments Instructions page slider will enable a page with instructional steps to be displayed after the viewer clicks on the Buy button. With Instruction page enabled, you're able to modify the text displayed to your liking. When you have completed the PayPal Payment Gateway setup, click on the green Save button to save your new payment gateway. Simply and quickly monetize your single media players with a single pay-per-view ticket. To set a single media player to a simple pay-per-view ticket, you will need to select the media you wish to monetize from the Central Media Management panel. With the chosen media selected, click on the Monetize tab in the lower Settings panel. Under Paywall, click on the drop-down menu and select Simple Pay-per-view Ticket. You will be presented with a price field where you can enter the amount you would like to charge your viewers to access the media. Next to it, from the drop-down list, you need to choose the currency you would like the buyers to be charged. Under Order Confirmation Emails, you can either choose the default order confirmation email or choose one of your custom order confirmation emails. Once you have finished setting up your simple pay-per-view ticket, click on the Save button to save your changes. Your player is now set to pay-per-view and can only be accessed when making a purchase. If you no longer wish to monetize your player, you can select the media you wish to set back to free to watch from the Central Media Management panel. With the chosen media player selected, click on the Monetize tab in the lower Settings panel. Under Paywall, click on the drop-down menu and select Free to Watch. Now click on the Save button to save your changes. Your media player will now no longer require to be purchased and will be free to watch. Pay-per-view paywall packages are containers that allow you to add one or multiple pay-per-view tickets, each with its own prices and expiry periods. To create new pay-per-view packages, you will need to go to Settings, Pay-per-view, Paywalls and Tickets. Here you will see a list of your current pay-per-view packages as well as the default free-to-watch package. To create your new paywall package, you will need to click on the New Paywall button. Now in the Paywall Setup panel, give your paywall package a name. You can also choose when your viewer sees your paywall by selecting Show Paywall to Viewer. Immediately will bring up the tickets to the viewer as soon as the viewer presses the play button on the player. Or you can set it to be displayed with a delay. Simply enter set amount of seconds of free viewing time before the paywall will be displayed to the viewer after they press the play button. With your paywall created, you're now able to add one or multiple tickets to it. Now that you have created your paywall package, you can add one or multiple tickets to the paywall package. Each ticket is essentially a buy, rental or subscription ticket with different variables such as prices, expiry periods, as well as the amount of allowed views, and if it's valid for one or multiple videos. You could simply add one ticket, or you could create multiple tickets with different parameters. With your chosen paywall package selected, click on the Add Ticket button to create a new ticket. On the right-hand configuration panel, you will now be able to select your chosen configurations for your ticket. Start by entering the ticket price, which is the amount that your viewers will be charged when making the purchase. Next, select the currency you would like to charge your viewers. Under Title, you will need to enter your preferred title for the ticket. You can also enter a short description for your ticket. By enabling the single video access, you can either restrict your buyers to only the video from which they're making the purchase, or by disabling it, they would purchase the entire playlist from which they're making the purchase. In the Ticket Type drop-down, you can choose the purpose of the ticket. When set to sell, your buyers will have unlimited access to the purchased video or playlist. When set to rent, you will get a set of restrictions and expiry parameters below. Under renting period, you can enter the amount of days, months, and years for which the ticket will be active from the date of purchase. Under maximum ticket usage limit, you can set a number for the total amount of views allowed across all the connected videos. For example, you may set this to 10 views in total across a playlist of multiple videos. Under max ticket usage per video limit, you can set a maximum amount of views number for each individual video. For example, you may set this to 5 views per video. In a playlist with multiple videos, each video would then only be able to be watched a total of 5 times for each video within the playlist. When you set the ticket type to subscription, the ticket price will be deducted from the buyer on a monthly or yearly recurring basis. The buyer will have unlimited access to the purchased media unless you or your viewer cancels their subscription. Mixed mode gives you all the options from the sell, rent and subscription types, allowing you to create a full custom ticket. Under ticket color, you can select which color you would like for your ticket. To save your tickets and paywall, simply click on the green Save button below. You can add previously created password groups to new and existing password packages. For example, if you have created ticket 1 within Paywall Package 1, then reuse ticket 1 in Paywall Package 2, all players that have Paywall Package 1 or 2 applied will be accessible with the purchase of ticket 1, as both Paywall packages have ticket 1 associated to them. If you make any changes to ticket 1, all changes will be applied to any Paywall package that uses ticket 1. To add an existing pay-per-view ticket, create a new Paywall package. Now, with the new Paywall package created, select the existing pay-per-view tickets section from the right-hand configuration panel. With the existing pay-per-view tickets section expanded, you will see any previously created tickets. Simply click on your desired ticket to add it to your current Paywall package. To save your ticket and Paywall package, simply click on the green Save button below. Once you have connected your preferred payment gateway processor to accept payments and have created a custom pay-per-view package with tickets, You can set your chosen media such as videos, live events, web TV players, IP cameras, and even audio files to be pay-per-view. In this tutorial, we will be setting the individual media files to pay-per-view. To set a pay-per-view package to individual media, you will simply need to go to your media section. Select the media you would like to set to pay-per-view. With the video selected, click on the Monetize tab in the video settings bar. Under Paywall, you can simply select your desired pay-per-view package from the drop-down menu. Under Order Confirmation Emails, you can select if you would like to use one of your own custom order confirmation emails, or if you would like to choose the default order confirmation email. Save your changes by clicking on the green Save button. You have now set your chosen pay-per-view package to your desired media and are ready to sell it as pay-per-view. You can set an entire playlist to your preferred pay-per-view package. This will set all videos and media files within the playlist to your chosen pay-per-view package. All future videos that are added to the playlist will automatically have the current active pay-per-view package applied to them. To set a pay-per-view package to all videos and media files within a playlist, simply click onto the playlist button in your media section. Select the playlist you would like to change to pay-per-view. With the playlist selected, click on the Monetize tab in the settings bar. Under Paywall, you can simply select your desired pay-per-view package from the drop-down menu. Under Order Confirmation Emails, you can select if you would like to use one of your custom order confirmation emails, or if you would like to choose the default order confirmation email. Save your changes by clicking on the green Save button. This will open a pop-up information box asking if you would like to change the current default package to your newly chosen pay-per-view package. In the pop-up, you get the opportunity to revise any affected media by clicking on the summary buttons. Select the media you wish to apply the new package to by selecting the check mark next to it. If you're happy with the changes you've made, simply click on the green Confirm button to apply the desired changes. You have now applied your chosen pay-per-view package to your desired playlist. By default, all videos and playlists are set to free to watch. You can change this by going to Settings, Pay-per-view, Paywalls and Tickets. Here you will see a list of your current pay-per-view tickets as well as the default free-to-watch package. The home icon next to the pay-per-view package name indicates which package is currently active as your global default pay-per-view package. To choose a different pay-per-view package as your default package, hover over your desired package name and click on the home icon next to your desired package. This will open a pop-up information box asking if you want to change the current default package to your newly chosen pay-per-view package. In the pop-up, you get the opportunity to revise any affected media by clicking on the summary buttons. Select the media you wish to apply the new package to by selecting the check mark next to it. If you're happy with the changes you've made, simply click on the green Confirm button to apply any desired changes. You've now changed the global default package to your chosen pay-per-view package. With the Sold Tickets Management System, you can disable or enable sold pay-per-view tickets as well as editing active pay-per-view tickets by changing expiry dates, total allowed views, and all allowed views per video. You can also resend the buyer's confirmation email, which includes the purchase details such as ticket password, expiry dates, allowed views, and a link to the player. To manage your sold pay-per-view tickets, you will need to go to the Settings tab. Here under Setup, you will find the pay-per-view menu. Click on it to expand the subsections and select the Sold Tickets Management tab, which will display all sold tickets in the center. Here you will see an extensive view of all your sold pay-per-view tickets. The information displayed includes the sales date, which is when the ticket was purchased. Under Password, you can see the currently active password for the purchased ticket. Package shows you which pay-per-view package the ticket relates to. Ticket shows which ticket was purchased. Expiry date is when the ticket will expire. Allowed views shows the total amount of allowed views across all purchased media. Allowed views per video shows the total amount of allowed views per video of the purchased media. Next to each ticket, you will see 3 icons in the Options column. The check mark and cross icons allow you to enable or disable the sold ticket. When a ticket has been disabled, the buyer will no longer be able to access the purchased video or playlist. The mail icon allows you to resend the purchased confirmation email to the buyer. This is useful in some cases where the client's email server may have deleted the purchased confirmation email. The graph icon will take you to the detailed ticket analytics for the currently selected ticket. To edit a ticket's expiry parameters, please select the ticket you wish to edit from the Ticket Management panel. On the right-hand editing panel, you will be able to change and update the parameters. Under expiry period, you can set when the ticket will expire. You can either set it to unlimited or specify expiration date. Under total allowed views, you can set a number of the total amount of allowed views across all the connected videos to the ticket. For example, you may set this to 10 views in total across a playlist of multiple videos. Under total allowed views per video, you can set the maximum amount each individual video can be viewed. For example, you may set this to 5 views per video. In a playlist with multiple videos, each video would then only be able to be watched a total of 5 times for each video within the playlist. Please click on the Update button to save any changes you've made to your ticket expiry parameters. You can change the text displayed to your clients when they use the pay-per-view system. This is great if you need to change it to your local language or make any minor adjustments. To edit the displayed text, go to Settings, Pay-per-view, Text Localization. Here you will see a list of all the different texts that will be displayed to your pay-per-view clients when they're using the system. The default values are in the left-hand column. You can edit them to your requirements by entering your desired text to be displayed in the right-hand column next to each default value. Please keep any values that start and finish with the percentage sign, as these will be replaced automatically with the aggregated data from our system. To save your changes, simply click on the green Save button below. When your client buys one of your pay-per-view videos, they are sending out a default order confirmation email from us. You can create your own custom order confirmation email within your management panel. To create a custom Paywall confirmation email, simply go to Settings, Pay-per-view, Order confirmation emails. Here you will see a list of your current order confirmation emails as well as the default order confirmation email. To create your new custom order confirmation email, you will need to click on the New Confirmation Email button. Now, in the Email Setup panel, give your order confirmation email a name for easy identification. Under Mail Server SMTP details, you can choose from which email server your confirmation emails are sent. By default, you can use our own internal default server, or you can set up your own email server. Under Email Sender, you need to enter the email address you would like to appear as your send address in your order confirmation emails. For email subject, you need to enter an email subject you would like to appear on your order confirmation emails. Within the email body section, you can amend the text you would like to appear to your buyers in your order confirmation emails. You're able to insert variables that will automatically add the correct details and replace the corresponding variables. Once you have finished editing your custom pay-per-view confirmation email, simply click on the green Save button to save your changes. By default, all pay-per-view videos and playlists are set to receive the default order confirmation email after making a successful purchase. Once you have created your own order confirmation email, you'll be able to change the default global confirmation email for all your pay-per-view videos and playlists. You can change this by going to Settings, Pay-per-view, Order confirmation emails. Here you will see a list of your current order confirmation emails as well as the default order confirmation email. The home icon next to the order confirmation email indicates which package is currently active as your default order confirmation email. To set a new default order confirmation email, hover over your desired custom email name and click on the home icon. This will open a pop-up information box asking if you want to change the current default email to your newly chosen custom confirmation email. In the pop-up, you get the opportunity to revise any affected media by clicking on the summary buttons. Select the media you wish to apply the new package to by selecting the checkmark next to it. If you're happy with the changes you've made, simply click on the green Confirm button to apply your desired changes. You've now changed the default order confirmation email to your desired email template. Once you have created a custom confirmation email, you can set it to individual pay-per-view videos. This is great if you want to manage multiple clients' pay-per-view videos and need to send separate custom confirmation emails depending on the client's videos that are being purchased. To set a custom confirmation email to individual pay-per-view videos, you will simply go to the Media section. Select the pay-per-view video you would like to change. With the pay-per-view video selected, click on the Monetize tab in the video settings bar. Under Custom Confirmation Email, you can simply select your desired custom confirmation email from the drop-down menu. Save your changes by clicking on the green Save button. You have now set your chosen custom confirmation email to your desired pay-per-view video. You can also set an entire pay-per-view playlist to use your preferred custom confirmation email. This will set all pay-per-view ticket sales within the playlist to use your chosen custom confirmation email. To set a custom confirmation email to all your pay-per-view videos within a playlist, select the playlist you would like to edit. With the playlist selected, click on the Monetize tab in the settings bar. Under Custom Confirmation Email, you can simply select your desired custom confirmation email from the drop-down menu. Save your changes by clicking on the green Save button. This will open a pop-up information box asking if you want to change the current default email to your newly chosen custom confirmation email. In the pop-up, you get the opportunity to revise any affected media by clicking on the summary buttons. Select the media to which you want to apply the new changes by selecting the check mark next to it. If you're happy with your selection, simply click on the green Confirm button to apply your desired changes. You have now set your chosen custom confirmation email to your desired pay-per-view playlist. You can check out more detailed information and tutorials in our help pages at help.StreamingVideoProvider.com.